try to put it in the art card right here or down in the description below if I can remember. So in this video, I'm going to make this video called Fix My Slime. This one is going to go like non-stretchy. You can see, I'm not even pulling it that hard. And I went on the website and I found some shampoo works for like certain slime things or slime. Then we're actually gonna try out some, and I have some activator just in case it like deactivates. You guys can't even see. I'm so sorry. But I put some shampoo on this very simply. And if you think I'm lying to you, just give me a second. I'll prove that I'm not lying. Clearly a spot. You guys can see there's a spot of shampoo on here. So, and it's like very, very slippery and it's like getting on my hands. Having said that, I'm going to go get the toothpaste. And in this video, I'm going to at least try not to edit to delete the film of me going to get it. So, you guys are going to be watching bye your guys selling and I know you're going to die. But I'm so used to that. So I don't have to keep putting it on and off when I want to. So while it's set, it got really sticky. Toothpaste, I'm not sponsored. Aqua Fresh. We're gonna put a dab of that on there. About bigger than what the slime is. So I didn't add all of it. It has a weird texture. Come on now. Now it's a little soft. Look. So small. I'm trying to make it a lot bigger by adding a lot more toothpaste. Because toothpaste is like really fluffy. You can actually make all these things that I think. I think. I didn't say I do know. So any comments down below. Why not do it? Like, dude. I need to know how to make cloud cream. Flarm. I think I know how to make flarm. Sorry. Jelly cube and fishbowl. Oh, this is one. I need to know how to make butter. The first time I made butter, it turned out really, really super duper hard. Let's stretch it all. Starting to actually get a lot bigger now. more. That's a good sign. It's starting to stick badly. So yeah, just a little more toothpaste to it. It's just something to deactivate. I know the spotlight's on my face. I don't know where to put you guys up. So I obviously need a table. This is clearly my only table I have right. And a bed. It's actually a little bigger and really sticky. Well, I wouldn't say it's bad. Kind of impersonable, which I'm not really sad about it. Toothpaste did do something that to it, like something that I really wanted to happen to the slime. So I just added some more toothpaste. This is a finished product. I wish I didn't put a lot of toothpaste in it. The activator is kind of not working, and normally it works. I wonder what that stuff was before I put the toothpaste. I hope it wasn't gum. I did not try it. And I was thinking of going to, and I mean, it's getting a lot smaller now, which means the toothpaste is starting to wear off. Kind of. The activator is actually doing something to it. Toothpaste, very good sign. Right now it is. Just now, apparently. I don't want it to melt on me. It's still sticking together, but all of it's like getting on my hands, which means every time I touch it, it gets smaller and smaller for some reason. You know, it's getting all over my hands. That means that I actually put too much toothpaste, and it's fine once I bite. That But then also, I'm really annoying that because it also deactivates slime. This video is supposed to be fix my slime, not make it disappear slime. I might actually try to get this to work. Add toothpaste and shampoo. Oh my gosh, it's actually working, dude. Or is it just clumping up because of toothpaste? Yeah, I knew it's fine, and yeah. This is like my second time making slime. Well, I mean, this is not my second time making slime. This is like my 10th time making slime, but I mean, like, some shampoo and toothpaste is, this is all liquid. See this? My slime went somewhere. My slime don't know even why it melted. What kind of do now that I know that adding toothpaste and shampoo makes it melt. My sister's thinking that my slime was bye. I was trying to make it better. I was trying to make it better at the right time.